everybody, welcome to the vlog. First ride riding the gas as officially being mine. Let's get it, son. He's a good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Out of all people, Tim Rapp's the one who's late today.
One more time for the one time. Yeah! He likes being involved.
Are they allowing quads today?
That don't look like a quad to me.
Yeah.
You guys gotta see this. This is the best thing about this.
Suckers, thumb throttle equipped, boy.
You did good, son.
Catch y'all in a little bit.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got like a full tank.
Making a little stop at the best gas station in Mount Vernon. Get you some of that Quick Trip pizza, boys. Dude, there's no ethanol right here. It's 91 though. Somebody told me to try Quick Trip. I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know if they'll have it.
Oh, dude, I got plenty again.
For everybody wondering, Quick Trip has no ethanol, 91 octane. If you go to the Hucks down the road, also has 92 no ethanol. Helping y'all out because some of y'all are driving all the way to Dick's and stuff, and you can just come right here in the middle of town and you got no ethanol, bro.
Watch me as I come apart. And they wondering which word I play. I say, but I want it, what you can't afford to say. Unless I'm all great, but just like God say, I made the gang and I made the way, and I made the wave, and this shit stay. Yeah, faking the smile, I'm fixing. I'm going up on my antidepressant. My girl is a brilliant bitch and stressing about how I'm here, but I'm lacking in presence. I tell her I love you, but it's lacking essence. And now I remember just who I am. You give me a pill, some for the win, and I'm going again. My type of vacation is isolation. I wanna be left alone, gonna see how long I'll hold until I get to fighting off temptations to self-annihilation. Rolling myself out just by all of this emotion of blocking. I give I can stop it now, it's all coming out. Ain't got what kind of vomit, I wish I could get it out. Take away my stomach, fucking rip it all apart. The holocated galaxy up there, you still my own. I'm meant to be alone.
Kick-ass place.
We got two skids actually. The other one's about to shop.
I'm a little close to your truck.
Can you scratch this back door right here? I can't keep my truck clean because fucking work, dude. Driving to the parking lot to fucking sauce, dude.
Okay, redo.
Come on. You drink your hydropower today?
Not yet. That's my problem. I haven't drank the hydropower yet today. That's the problem. I gotta get it down. Look how clean she is, though.
Yeah, it looks like it's what it looked like in my living room.
Yeah.
I didn't have the battery from the race.
No, dude.
So. It only ran what? Probably 3 could be in there.
Is your fuel on?
Huh?
Is your fuel on?
Yeah.
Huh. Did it die immediately or was it slow?
It just died.
Hope it's not a spark plug.
I got extra.
Look at that. Track's a little muddy right now. It'll dry up though.
Yeah.
You say you got extra spark plugs?
Yeah, I got extra ones.
It
It might be my CDI box too. It's been coming unhooked.
I can hold it.
You want to hold it? Let me push him up the hill.
Oh, fucking A right, boy. I'm fine. Mousy just sits on my wrist and I like it.
Once we get some bikes running around this track for about a moto, it's going to be solid.
By the way, also, I just realized last night, because I bought this bike yesterday, I realized last night that these guys have been riding these back brakes like metal to metal for like a while.
Oh shit.
You can feel the fucking, if you feel the disc, it's like you can feel the indentation on it by that much.
That's crazy.
It's outrageous.
I tried to pick it up for you. My hands aren't gonna forgive me for that one. Oh shit, careful. How you liking the map?
Man, this is night and day difference. You don't have to jamie over it twisted, you got it dialed. This is a different bike. This thing was such a pile of shit. Stock, unbelievable. 400 bucks, this thing's a rocket now. So,
Hell yeah, dude, you're looking good on it.
yeah, night and day difference. Absolutely.
Yeah, there you go. kid's living life right now. How'd that go again?
Oh, you know.
You want a snack?
Yeah, I do. Why you got Sour Patch Kids?
Oh, you know, I get hungry while I ride.
Yeah.
Help yourself, bro. Everybody's saying they don't want a snack, and I don't know why. Here you go. Help yourself. Shout out Thrill Seekers. size, so I'm not really gonna send it too much. Hey buddy. That feels a little weird with the bent bar.
Used to it. Like I've rode it too much, and now the freaking big bike feels weird.
Or give it to second place.
Second place? However you want to do it. Keep it really fast.
No, give it to me. I want it. I want it.
I didn't really know what was going on.
Oh yeah.
Hey, it'll be more
That's
fun
sick,
on the
man.
fastest. See, I'll be dressed up. It'll make it more fun. I need an old helmet as big as you can find one, so I can make a clown helmet.
Pick it, you're just gonna like,
Let's be committed.
like yeah.
Silicone or adhesive that was on it.
Uno más tiempo.
Mecano Prera corta de papel vendemos.
Yo tengo el gato en mis pantalones.